In this video tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up Condat Student Lounge. Student Lounge can be an amazing plugin to add as it offers many benefits to both you as an agent and your clients. The Student Lounge provides a dedicated space for your clients to engage with your team, ensuring they have up-to-date information and a seamless application process. This fosters client retention, generates more revenue through referrals, and enhances client relationship with clear communication. Additionally, it extends service hours, allowing your clients to inquire with agents beyond typical working hours. To access this feature, you'll have to first install our plugin Student Lounge. Log in with your admin account, navigate Plugin Manager, select all plugins, locate Student Lounge, and click Install. Now that we have installed Student Lounge, let us first activate the Student Lounge for one of our clients. Go to the tracker and choose the client and view the client. On the top, you will see the option to activate Client Portal. Click the button. Once clicked, a pop-up message will appear on your screen where you can see how many credits you have left, and there you can also see how you can activate it with an email link. Now hit Activate to create a user account for your client. An activation link will be emailed to your client from where he can activate his portal. You can also manually activate your client's portal by clicking Users, then View All, and from the Client User list. Locate your client on the list. They will be listed as pending if the portal has not yet been activated. Click on the Action button from where you can change status and update their credentials. Click on the Change Status to activate. You can then update their credentials and forward it to the client via SMS notification or email. Once the client has received his credentials, he can easily log into his Student Lounge account. Applicants can easily see their application progress for colleges or visas via their portal, which makes communication much easier and transparent. Clients can view their application, track their application, document checklist, and also submit their documents required. When clients can check and submit documents themselves, it makes the job as an agency much easier, giving you much time to focus on more important tasks. Client can also get notified of important dates and events like their visa expiry date or their course starting and ending date. This will allow clients to prepare for these events and seek help with the agencies when needed, reducing stress on both the sides. Additionally, agencies can add future invoices and schedule it, which can be accessible to clients from the portal, ensuring them enough time to prepare for the payment. Student Lounge also allows applicants to communicate with consultants and other team members via Condat's communication channel. This way, agencies can improve their responsiveness and address clients' issue timely. And there you have it. By setting up Condat's Student Lounge, you will create more efficient and transparent process for both your agency and clients. The seamless communication and easy access to important information not only simplifies your task but also enhances the overall client experience. Start today and see the difference it makes for your consultancy success, and congratulations on taking the first step into digitizing your business.